It was a sad day in aviation history. After I finished getting the actual work-related video I wanted for my project, I decided to goof off a little. I thought it'd be fun to make a diving run at the barn, pulling up at the last second. You can see here on my long, slow walk to recover the drone exactly what I found when I got there. One of the props is completely missing. So here we are climbing out, going up to get a little altitude. And that ought to just about do it. So let's turn around here and see where we're at. Nice view of the mountains. Ah, target in sight. Here we go. All seem to be going well. And just as I was about to clear the barn, boom, and the resulting crash. I don't think the drone actually hit the barn. Instead, I believe the propeller just disintegrated. At the point it was clearing the barn, it was indicating about 12 feet clearance, as you can see in the slow motion and freeze frame. Even if that was off by a large percentage, I don't think I hit the barn. Has anybody else had a prop just go poof for no apparent reason? Comment below, please. The interesting error that it gave there was battery installation error. It didn't actually eject the battery, as you can see, because we still have video. When I got home and put on a new set of aftermarket propellers and turned the drone back on, it gave that same battery installation error. So all I did was take the battery out and reinstall it, plug it back in, and it worked fine. So who can say? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.